Understanding the phrase, glitch in the system. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or even in conversations around you. We're talking about the phrase, glitch in the system. It's a phrase that's not only popular but also packed with meaning, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of the English language. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your everyday communication. A glitch is a small and unexpected problem or fault that prevents something from working well. When we say there's a glitch in the system, we're usually talking about a temporary issue in a complex system, like a computer program, an organization, or even a plan, that disrupts the normal operation. It suggests that the problem is not fundamental to the system itself but is more of a minor fault that can be fixed. The term glitch has its roots in technology and engineering. It's believed to have originated in the mid-20th century among engineers and technicians. Initially, it described minor malfunctions in electronic circuits or equipment. Over time, its usage expanded to include any small problem that causes a temporary setback in any kind of system, not just technological ones. Understanding how to use a phrase in context can significantly enhance your language skills. Here are a few examples. 1. In technology, we can't process your payment right now due to a glitch in the system. Please try again later. 2. In everyday life, the mix-up with your appointment was just a glitch in the system. We've sorted it out now. 3. In business, due to a glitch in the system, our delivery will be delayed by a day. We apologize for any inconvenience. Recognizing and understanding phrases like glitch in the system can help you better navigate both formal and informal conversations in English. It's a phrase that encapsulates a lot about modern life's reliance on systems and technology, reflecting both the challenges and imperfections we navigate daily. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the phrase, glitch in the system. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, origins, and how you can use it effectively in your own conversations. Remember, language is full of interesting phrases like this one, and understanding them can significantly enhance your communication skills. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you learn more about the English language in our next video.